A primary healthcare facility inside an institutional and leading center for heart ailment treatment in the region opened its doors to the public to provide urgent healthcare for minor surgeries and auxiliary services to include heart procedures for qualified indigent beneficiaries via a program dubbed Bukas that our Bien Manalo elaborates in this report.
From Giginto, Bulacan, Rosemary Pascual went to the Philippine Heart Center today with her husband to get free medicine because she had bypass surgery in June. Rosemary has been fighting heart disease for more than a decade. She admits she acquired the disease through poor diet choices, often eating salty and fatty foods.
Kawalan ng disiplina sa pagkain, mga ganun. Kung ano lang yung kinakain mo, hindi mo tinitingnan kung mabuti ba o maganda ba o hindi sa katawan.
Still, Rosemary is one lucky person because she was selected as a beneficiary of Philippine Heart Center programs which offered free surgery. Rosemary is just one of the patients to receive the benefits from the Bagong Urgent Care and Ambulatory Service or Bukas Center of the Philippine Heart Center. And today, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. presided over the inauguration of Philippine Heart Center Bukas Center, which was conceived and created to provide quality medical services to all Filipinos.
This center is not just a health facility. It aims to bridge the gap between primary care facilities and higher-level health institutions by providing urgent healthcare services for minor surgeries and other ancillary services. So when you or your loved ones come through these doors, you will find not just a place of care, but a place of immediate compassionate support.
The Philippine Heart Center was established in 1975 pursuant to Presidential Decree No. 673 during the administration of former President Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr. And for almost 50 years, thousands of Filipinos struggling with heart disease have been helped and healed by the Philippine Heart Center.
The Philippine Heart Center, or PHC, has long been a symbol of hope and excellence in healthcare. PHC has remained steadfast in its commitment to save lives and alleviate the suffering of those with cardiovascular diseases.
Today, the hospital has over a 500-bed capacity, 10 operating rooms, 6 cardiac catheterization laboratories, 8 intensive care units, and 20 patient wards. Currently, there are 15 regional heart centers in 18 regions throughout the Philippines. Of this number, there are 7 fully fledged regional heart centers, including in Ilocos Norte, Albay, Camarines Sur, Iloilo, Cebu, Davao, and Cagayan de Oro. And as part of the Department of Health's Modernization for Health Equity and the 28 for 28 by 28 initiative, the DOH targets to open 28 Bukas centers throughout the country before the end of 2028. They will provide services to roughly 28 million citizens who are in great need of quality and accessible healthcare services. All in all, there are 31 Bukas centers throughout the Philippines.
We are not just keeping that promise within the walls of one building, but we are spreading it to various places around the country. We are ready to respond, ready to care wherever and whenever needed.
The government handed over 200 million pesos financial assistance to the Philippine Heart Center, over 185 million pesos to the Lung Center of the Philippines, and over 134 million pesos to the National Kidney Transplant Institute. Meanwhile, according to the Philippine Statistics Authority, heart disease is still the leading cause of deaths among Filipinos. According to the Health Department, the trend is worrying because fatalities attributed to heart disease keep getting younger and younger. Here are some tips to avoid heart disease and keep our hearts healthy. First, eat healthy foods like vegetables and fruits. Get in the habit of exercise. Avoid smoking cigarettes. Avoid stress. And lastly, monitor your blood pressure regularly. Bien Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.